Hey tech enthusiasts! Docker is an incredible tool for containerizing applications, making deployment a breeze. But are you getting the most out of it? In this video, we're diving into 5 essential Docker tips that will significantly improve your workflow, optimize your images, and save you valuable development time. Let's make your Docker experience smoother and more efficient, right now. First up, embrace multi-stage builds. This powerful Dockerfile feature allows you to use separate stages for building your application and for running it. By doing so, you can drastically reduce the final image size, removing unnecessary build tools and dependencies. It leads to smaller, more secure, and faster to deploy containers. A game changer for production environments. Next, never forget your .dockerignore file. Similar to .gitignore, this file tells Docker which files and directories to exclude when building your image. This prevents sensitive data, temporary files, or unnecessary development artifacts from being copied into your image. The result? Faster build times, smaller images, and enhanced security. Don't skip this crucial step. For complex projects, master Docker Compose. It's an indispensable tool for defining and running multi-container Docker applications. With a single Docker Compose.yml file, you can configure all your services, networks, and volumes. This simplifies local development setup, making it easy to spin up your entire application stack with just one command. Streamline your dev environment instantly. Keep your system tidy with Docker System Prune. Over time, Docker can accumulate a lot of unused, dangling images, containers, volumes, and networks, consuming valuable disk space. Running Docker System Prune regularly will reclaim this space, ensuring your Docker environment remains lean and efficient. It's like a spring cleaning for your containers. Finally, optimize your Dockerfile layer caching. Docker builds images layer by layer, caching each one. To leverage this effectively, place commands that change frequently, like copy, towards the end of your Dockerfile. Commands that change less often, like installing dependencies, should come first. This ensures Docker only rebuilds necessary layers, significantly speeding up subsequent builds. There you have it, 5 essential Docker tips to supercharge your development workflow. Implementing these practices will lead to smaller images, faster builds, and a much more organized Docker environment. Which tip was your favorite, or do you have one we missed? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech insights. Happy containerizing!